we are looking at what is the definition of demisexuality, or demisexuality, as the Americans would say. What does it mean? What is its meaning? Demisexuality definition. It is a sexual orientation where people only experience sexual attraction to folks that they have close emotional connections with. In other words, to understand it a little bit better, demisexual people only experience sexual attraction after an emotional bond has formed. So when they look at a magazine or TV, they're not necessarily going to feel anything sexually for those celebrities or people. They need to get to know them first. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and interesting words meanings too. Thanks for watching.